go. It beats for you, so listen close. In my thoughts and every note. Oh, make me a radio and turn.
So it's a kind of routine to me once we are in summer, and I like it. Though it's not all the time, but once a month I used to do that. I like it. So what makes me to go into it this day is because of the cut the grass around where I'm parking my car. Just take a look at my car, how it looks like, very dusty. Because of that, I have to wash it. It's still very early in the morning, so this is the time. Yeah, and you can see here that where I parked my car, the space was not so big for me to wash it here, so that makes me to drive it out, bring it inside where I'm living so that I'll have enough space to wash it. This is how I used to wash it when I was living with my parents in Nigeria. My father is the type that like we girls to know everything, and I'm really grateful to my father who taught me how to wash a car. That shows that no experience is a waste. I'm really happy. Keep watching.
My mind there for you, my heart beat for you. Every time that I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't wanna wait for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When the one said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Any weather and any mood, oh my, you know I still count you. Yeah, give me love, forever. I did grace for your love. My mind there for you, my heart beat for you. Every time that I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't wanna wait for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When the one said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you. Any weather and any mood, oh my, you know I still count you. Yeah, give me love, forever. I did grace for your love. My mind there for you, my heart beat for you. Every time that I think of you, I don't know, I feel loved again. I don't wanna wait for days. Let me have you in my arms again, please. When the one said I can't have you, I proved them wrong, I came for you.
So guys, I'm done here. Here is the time. So take a look at my car, how it looks like. Oh, I like it so much. It's now neat. So right now I'm done washing my own car. I have to go and wash my Odogu car. Oh yeah, let's go there.
It must be you. It must be you. I need you.
Baby, you are a bunch of liars, retired cheater. After you broke my heart, it's a mega believe you. Ni wako kondimbu, share you the tamaka, get you in your room. Now you wanna settle down. You wet your bamu bangole, come mezebo bangole. Cause I'm a wife material, 100 years, all the born of buffet. If you don't want it better, full of shalom do. It must not be you, it must not be you, Chinedu. I don't send you, I don't need you for my family.
So here my water has finished. I have to go up and get another water. Keep watching.
It must be you. It must be you.
say make I believe you. Nikwaku kondimbu, share you the tamaka, ngechi nyerem. Now you wanna settle down. Iwe choba mubangole, kameze go biangole. Cause I'm a wife material, 100 years, all the born of buffet. If you don't want it better, full of shalom do. It must not be you, it must not be you, Chinedu. I don't send you, I don't need you for my family.
Believe me, ask me. I need you for my family.
Guys, honestly, if not the way my father trained us, he make us to understand that you need to know everything. He tried his best to put us through by letting us know that life is not what you think it is. As a girl or as a boy, you need to learn one or two things at least. Try either everything in this world is a kind of 90%, you can be able to know 50% and you're good to go. And from that, it helps me a lot. What I am today is through what he and my mother taught us. Keep watching.
Believe me, ask me. I need you for my family. I'm well to one where they stay for my yard. And they call amu go for the guys see on amusamu. Oh, they to they know where I want abu samba. When she shake her waist in Nuka boys in ada. Woman on fire, sugar cane no mua. Woman on fire, golibe no sogi. Woman on fire, nobody can quench you. Woman on fire, pepe soup mumwa. Woman on fire, woman on fire. Mwata lebi nyanga, mwata lika manwamu. Ema kwani lelo patitu, mwata liko golibe.
So guys, I'm done. Take a look at my hobby car, how it's shining. The Odogu car. The nwoke na mma no we are good. The car is just like my hobby no we are. Ogenede. Eweleke. Yeah. Let me just give it a dance. Okay. So right now I have to go and continue with my car. Take a look at what's the time. So I have to start cleaning the inside of my car because it's not neat, it's dirty. I just want to make sure that it's very neat. Keep watching.
Boys and yes, he can define na you know. Imana obo go ibo mama. Yabola do kutule to bobo. Asonye kuli bola biko kuboku. Okula kani kwa naga wa eba no to ya. No bia kije na onye nwe. Mbia ye chiese na no nyozo. Nge kwante na obiting is so superbo. My heavy dosi be ye bina. Na so wakata no tunde munye. Boys and yes, he can define na you know. Imana obo go ibo mama. Yabola do kutule to bobo. Asonye kuli bola biko kuboku. Okula kani kwa naga wa eba no to ya. No bia kije na onye nwe. Mbia ye chiese na no nyozo. Nge kwante na obiting is so superbo. My heavy dosi be ye bina. Na so wakata no tunde munye. My heavy dosi. Boys and yes, he can define na you know. Imana obu kwogu ibo muma Yabula joku tule tukobo Asonye kuli bola biko kuboku Okula kanikwa naga waye banolo toya No biaki na onye mwe Mbiambia yechiese na nunyozo Nge kwenti na obi tingi susu kobo Ma hebili dosi be yebina
So sweetheart, if today is your first time of coming across my video, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is the kind of video you like to watch, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment and tell me exactly how you feel about this video. Keep watching. I welcome you to my channel.
Mbiambia yechiese na nunyozo Nge kwenti na obi tingi susu kobo Ma hebili dosi be yebina Nasu wakata nutunde munyeni Ma hebili dosi
Natu bandi natu Ojuku kelu waso bendi neso Baka meri kabunkani Ujijani jawele nabani jawele ise Obele kwani nenu wa oke bubu topo we ya ise Otokoke mani ifika kona bie Natu bandi natu Ojuku kelu waso bendi neso Baka meri kabunkani Ujijani jawele nabani jawele ise Obele kwani nenu wa oke bubu topo we ya ise.
So guys, I'm done. Now I'm going up to prepare morning breakfast. I'm going to my car to get my phone to show you the time. Oh, I don't know where I put my phone. Oh, it's here. Oh. So look at the time. Look at the time. I don't know whether you're going to see it very well. Maybe let me turn the camera for you. So I'm going up now to prepare morning breakfast here. Ooh.
A few moments later.
So coming up, I now see that Father Ibemonso is now starting morning mass because we did Friday vigil to Saturday. So I now have to join in the morning mass to complete the night vigil. Thank you so much for watching with me. Meet you in my next upcoming video. Bye, sweetheart.
My heart's a stereo. It beats for you, so listen close. In my thoughts and every note.